When I was a student here, we weren't required to do the co-curricular activities that is all very much a part of your life here at Upper Canada. A number of years after I left Upper Canada, this became the way you see it today. And it's very impressive to me to see how that ethos is being brought into life. The requirements that you have for co-curricular activities help ensure that you all develop a broad outlook on the needs of others. And the range of activities, whether it's from underprivileged communities and peoples in Toronto, volunteer tutoring, hospital volunteering, and the Me to We, demonstrate how broad these activities have become.